Hey guys, I'm showing you this Bruno Marc men's shoes. So the first impression is a good packing with the paper or the cloth bags. This is a black official shoes color. So this can be put on in your dress shirt or the dress suit and can also be used for the outdoor use. So just unpack this first so I can show you the quality and the feel. So my first impression on the sole is a high quality sole with the height, memory foam cushions, so comfortable fit, and then also the laces. The stitching and the sides are nice, looks like a premium stitching. So when I wear it, I can tell you more how it feels. So after wearing, I can feel that this are the comfortable shoes, and from the sides and everything looks really nice. And overall, it's a nice shoes or the dress shoes for the office purpose.